Hello?
Hi, this is the sea calling.
Is this for real? I'm talking to the sea?
Yes, the Great Barrier Reef to be specific. When was the last time you visited me?
A long time ago. I've been busy.
Well, you have to come and visit me soon.
I want to visit you. I miss you.
I miss you too. Now, I want you to close your eyes and imagine that you're out in Australia, Rockhampton, Australia. The wind blows gently, the sun shines beautifully. You can go water skiing.
Oh,
Surfing, fishing, boating, and scuba diving.
it sounds like fun.
You could go to amazing restaurants like Delisi. You will experience traditional Australian cuisine like Vegemite, meat pies, Chico rolls, Tim Tams, and, if you're especially adventurous, kangaroo meat.
I'd like that.
You could visit the Mount Archer National Park that showcases a range of native Australian flora and fauna. You could see the glossy black cockatoo, kangaroos, koala bears, wombats, and alligators. Here's a picture of a food web. You have to visit the park. You'll learn so many new things, like the way algae grows within coral.
Can I go now?
Yes.
And we'll talk when we get there?
Yes, we'll definitely talk when you get there. Here's the first stop on our trip, Rockhampton.
Wow, it's pretty warm here.
Yes. Here you will experience a lovely subtropical climate with highs of 90 in December and January and lows of 52 in February.
Better not pack too heavy of clothing then.
Yeah, but make sure to pack an umbrella. It can get pretty wet. On average, the driest month, August, gets 0.7 inches of rain in a span of 4 days, but in December, about 7.4 inches will fall in 12 days.
Well, this is pretty cool, I guess, but what would I do here?
Oh, there are lots of things to do here. Most of the attractions are outside, like the Rockhampton Botanical Gardens. They are home to animals like wombats, water dragons, kangaroos, koalas, dingoes, and alligators. The best part? Admission is free. You could also take a tour of the magnificent Capricorn Caves. But while those places are absolutely amazing, they don't even compare to the Great Barrier Reef.
Are we just standing underwater with no gear on right now?
Yes, it's the magic of the ocean. Don't question it. Usually people have to take a boat to get here. Also, if you come back, don't try this, unless you've developed skills by then. Do you like animals?
They're okay, I guess.
So you love animals. Alright, because the Great Barrier Reef has some of the most brilliant plants and animals of any biome. Other than the 400 species of corals that make up the reef itself, which, yes, is a living organism, we have over 15,000 kinds of fish, ranging from the tiny goby to the magnificent whale shark. We have the largest populations of dugongs anywhere, which are more closely related to elephants than anything else. If you go scuba diving, you can swim around with sea turtles, sea snakes, butterfly fish, angelfish, anemone fish.
Anemone fish? Like Nemo?
Yes, like Nemo. People always ask that. That's only scratching the surface of the colorful biodiversity here. However, some of these animals are hard to see because they have adapted to their colorful surroundings by developing camouflage, or developing the ability to live inside of poisonous anemones. Yes, like Nemo. This is a way to avoid predators. Also, you must be careful because there are other animals that will eat you, like the spotted wobblegong, who can flatten their body to hide in the sand and ambush innocent passing fish, or tourists. We also have quite extensive plant life. Not only is the Great Barrier Reef home to 400 to 500 different kinds of algae, like the coralline algae and the Halimata algae, but we also have 37 different varieties of mangrove trees on the islands in the reef, which is 57% of all of the world's mangroves. There is a large seagrass population here, which is important because that is the most important food for turtles and dugongs. Watch out though, some algae, like the caulerpa, is poisonous to discourage predators.
Wow, there are so many plants and animals here.
You know, unlike the animals, the plants have actually adapted to living together. You see, algae lives inside of the coral polyps, giving the algae a home, and in turn, it provides nutrients to the coral. The seagrass beds grow behind the coral, taking in excess sediments from overloading coral reefs and providing the coral with nutrients and oxygen. The mangrove trees, in turn, grow behind the seagrass, preventing heavier sediments from overpowering the seagrass and coral to provide a habitat for many fish.